Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete and Pete's Tools. How are we all going today? Another beautiful day on my side of the world. Not, it's raining outside and it's cold and it's bloody miserable. But anyway, that's why Pete's stuck in the shed talking shit to you fellas. Hey, anyway, I've done a couple of videos on my workshop vacuum cleaner here. And it's quite good, but the only thing I don't like about it is how much it costs to replace the bloody bags. You got to buy the genuine bags like this, and they're about 30 bucks for 5 or something bullshit like that. So Pete thought to himself, well, I'm not going to pay that. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to reuse your bags on a vacuum cleaner like this. Save yourself heaps. Yeehaw! Same as usual, guys. Like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day in the comments below. And let's get on with it, eh? Yeehaw! So guys, like I said, it's a pretty cool vacuum cleaner. It was cheap as well, and it's the best thing that I've brought for my workshop in ages. The thing just keeps sucking and sucking and sucking. I love it, eh? But the only thing I don't like about it is the price of these flaming bags here, like I was saying before. I mean, they work out $5 each or $6 each, which is absolutely crazy. And all it is this freaking paper bag thing here. All it is a long paper bag with a bit of a pickup here, with a bit of a foam or a rubber little grommet thing here. So there's nothing very flashy about that at all. What I used to do was when the bag was full, then you just pull it out here and just get rid of it, pull it out and pull it out, hold it upside down and shake it, and it's a pain in the ass. Especially if you've got pet hair or something in there, it all gets matted up and it just turns to crap. And then you're pulling it that hard out of here, that sooner or later, within 2 or 3 times you've ripped your bloody bag, and then you got to go back to your box and get a friggin' new one that costs a fortune. So that ain't what I'm doing today. Here guys, I'll show you a really complicated trick on how to make these things reusable, and that you don't have to pull all the shit out of here when you're doing it. So anyway guys, this is quite complicated to do, so what you might have to do is rewind the video 2 or 3 times to get the sequence right, but you know, in the end of the day, you can save yourself some money. What a load of bullshit, Pete. It's as easy as, guys, just do this. Right guys, we need some complicated tools, a pair of scissors. Grab the old bag window. As you can see, it's got like tape on here, but I wouldn't really try and undo that because it would just buggy a bag. I've tried before, but it doesn't really work. We'll try and cut it along here, but if you can't cut it along there, oh here, it might work. Just cut the end of the bag off, guys. $5, $6 a bag for a vacuum cleaner bag. You got to be kidding me. I reckon I'm miserable. Cheapest chips Pete, that's what they call me. Cheapest chips Pete. Right guys, so I've cut that tape off and see if we actually can pull it back. If we can actually unfold it, guys, see that? What that does is just give us a little bit bigger bag. If you actually unfold it, guys, you can actually see here. See, I've got my fingers down either side of it. Because what it does is when the machine folds it up, it just folds it up like an envelope and then puts that thing over the top of it. So what we're going to do, instead of mucking about with all this crap, just get your scissors, guys. Cut it off along here. Oh no, $6 bag! Another $6 down the toilet, Pete. That's probably half a crate of beer almost. And then we just got the bag inside there, guys. See that? We've got like a filter, and then we've got the bag inside there. So we've got a paper, we've got the filter bag, and then we've got the paper. So what it is basically is just a paper bag with a little sort of filter inside it. So all you do, guys, is just fold them over like so. So it's quite nice and thick like that. You want it about 3 times the thickness. That's why I cut it along the tape, because it's just a little bit thicker on the edge here. Just fold them over like that. Then I'll dive into my pockets here, guys, and I'll pull out my wonder tool. Look at what we got here, some clothes pegs. Told you it was complicated. Put one on there. One on there. And they don't have to be this colour, guys. Any clothes pegs will do. But I like the colour coordinated ones. Rightio, you idiot. We end up with something that looks like this, guys. Exactly the same. Put them in the old vacuum cleaner. Fold them round like so. Put your stupid little connector on. Make sure your rubber grommet goes over it like so. This is what we look like, guys. See that? Just with the bag with the pegs like so. Reassemble them. Just like that. Plug the old sucker end in. Right. Right guys, see all this crap that come out of this bag here. So that's the old vacuum cleaner bag contents. We'll suck it up and see how we go. Sucked up bolt, nut, bottle top, nails, all sorts of crap. Good suction, eh? Bottle top, all sorts of things. There, sucked up everything, guys. Quite impressed, eh? Nails, everything. Woo! Hold on. So now let's have a look at the bag, guys. Yeehaw! Here we go, guys. My peg solution. Take them off like so. Pull them out. Now I'll show you what I mean about trying to get it out the other way. Put them over there. Now what I used to do, guys, is hold the bag up like this, shake the living shit out of it, and then try and pull all the cat fluff and crap out of here, like so. And it's just a horrible bloody mess, and it takes you hours and you bugger the bag at the same time. So with my solution here, it's really easy. Take your Pegasus off, undo your bag, stick your bag out, give them a shake, fold your bag back up, one peg, two pegs, three pigs, four pegs, beautiful. Grab the old sucker machine again. Put them back in there like so. Put your little dooper bag on. Put your top on. What do you reckon? And you're all ready to go. Hey, no more pulling out cat fluff. And that just saved yourself $5 every time you do that. So I think that's pretty awesome, guys. So guys, that's my useless information for the week. More things that you didn't really want to know. So remember, if you want to save some money on your vacuum cleaner bags, do Pete's trick. Save yourself heaps. Anyway guys, same as usual, like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day in the comments below. And also check out in the links in the description below, because I've got a whole lot of other videos on how to save money when you're using these vacuum cleaners. Because there's nothing worse than spending money on sucking up shit. Anyway guys, see you later.
Pete'sTools.com